Hey everyone, today I'm gonna show you how to put screen recording on iPhone 17 So look here, this is my iPhone 17 and provide solution. So go to my control center, but not showing it to my screen record option because they are missing, and provide solution. Just long press in your blank screen, then you get add a control, press on, and you just find here your screen record option. So look here, showing it to my screen recording, or search here to screen recording. I'm just search here, showing it to screen recording. Just tap on. Now successfully add this screen recording. Okay, and long press. If you want to turn on microphone, just turn on and start screen recording. Now it's start. Okay, and stop and check in. And that's it.